let's play a song together. At long last, we're finally going to get to actually playing a song. I know you're excited. So we're going to play How Great Is Our God in the key of C by Chris Tomlin. And it starts with a C, 2, 4, and 5. Then it moves to an A minor, 2, 4, and 3. And then it moves to an F, 1 and 2 together, 3 and 4. And then a G, 5, 6, and 1. All right, so we're going to play a C, A minor, and F in the verse, and then add a G to the end of that, C, A minor, F, G for the chorus. So nice and simple. Let's see how we do. 2, 3, 4. The splendor of the King, A minor, clothed in majesty. Let all the earth rejoice, F. All the earth rejoice, C. The depths himself in light, A minor, and darkness tries to hide, and trembles at his voice, F. Trembles at his voice. How great, C, is our God. Sing with me, how great, A minor, is our God. And I will see how F, G is our God. Back to the C. And age to age he stands, A minor. And time is in his hands. Beginning and the end, F. Beginning and the end. The Godhead three in one, A minor. God the Spirit, Son. The Lion and the Lamb, F. The Lion and the Lamb, C. How great is our God. Sing with me how, A minor. Great is our God. And I will see how F, G is our God, C. How great is our God. Sing with me how great is our God. And I will see how great is our God. Excellent work.